I'm hard-headed, only answer to a lie. They won't buy the truth, it's easier to sell these niggas lies. He got hit all in this shit and they praying that he survive. His stomach bubbling, like they see me typing the reply. We be in and out them cars, only kill disregard.